Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the quiz creator that's included with Phox Elements. So here we've started with a quiz. In fact, let's delete that and add a new one to the page. It comes preset with this question in, which of course you come over here and remove or change, and you'll see here you've got to repeat it to add your question. So let's add a new question. Say what is the red planet? Okay, and then we can add our answers with this repeater here. And if I put Mars as the first answer, I can then mark this as correct. So you can mark that which answer is correct. Let's just put another one in. So I'm not going to mark that one as correct because it's not correct. And you don't have to have 4 answers in like this. You can have 2, or you can have 10. You can have as many as you want. You can add as many questions as you want as well, but let's just leave it as that for now. If I open this content panel here, we get the option to enable or disable the ability to view the answers at the end of the quiz. It's on by default, but if you want to hide the answers, you can turn this off, and then what they'll see is a try again button, and they can go through and see what score they get the next time without having the answers revealed to them. We've got all the text that's in the element here, so if you do want to change the text on things like the question or the text inside the buttons, you can do. This will be mainly for translation purposes for different languages, but you can change all that if you want. The style options, there's a ton of style options. You've got all your typography settings for the buttons and the question and everything. You can style the answers. By default they look like this, but if you want them to be a solid colour, you can do that, and then obviously you can come in and change your text colour. That's the wrong one, the one for answer. And all of them have hover properties as well, so I've set this to purple for that, but if I want to change the hover, I can just click my little hand there, and then I can get the colour when I hover. The selected colour is what it is when you click on it. So if I just go to the front end here, when you click on one, it will stay a colour, and that is your selected property. And again, you can change your text for that as well. There's the text colour option for when it's selected. You can change the items per row. So here we've got 2 rows. If I want 1, I can do it like this, or I can go and do as many or as little as I want with this as well, so you can change the style of that. This is also responsive items, so if you have got 4 on desktop, you probably don't want 4 on mobile. You probably only want 1. I think even 2 is going to be a little bit much for mobile, depending on how long your answers are. You can change that to 1 for mobile, and on all the other breakpoint settings as well. You can edit your borders, so you can make this look however you want. We've got spacing options. So yeah, you can do whatever you want with that. And then once you get to the end of the quiz, you get a nice little answers page, and this is the bit you can hide if you don't want them to see it. So just these answer bits here, it will still tell them the score, and you'll still have a try again button. And you can also add some custom text in here if you want a little call to action. I've just added this in here. And the way you do that is in the content panel here, and you've got text to show on the answer screen. You can open that up and put whatever you want in there. You can make it a link like I've done here, just to add a little call to action to it. So I hope that helps. I'm sure there'll be more options added to this as time goes on.